My name is Raza Akhtar, and today I'm going to teach you the topic Cell, the Unit of Life, that is chapter 8 of class 11th NCERT Biology. So let's begin the topic. So first of all, what is cell? Cell. Cell is a basic structural functional unit of all living organisms. It is a fundamental unit of life. Cell is present in all living organisms. Cell perform different functions like respirations, digestions, absorptions, osmoregulation. Many other activities are performed by cells to survive. So, how cell lead to the formation of organisms? Let's understand it first. So, cell lead to the formation of tissue lead to the formation of organ, organ lead to the formation of organ systems, and many organ systems combine to form an organisms. For let us understand it more clearly by an example such as bricks leads to the formation of house. Many bricks combine and lead to the formation of house. Same as it is, the cells are. Many cells combine and lead to the formation of an organisms. So how beautifully we are designed, or the organisms are designed by the nature. So moving ahead, I would like to discuss another topic. The name of the topic is the history of cells, how cells come into our life and existence. So first of all, the cell was seen by Robert Hooke in a cow tissue, and after that, the first live cell was seen by Antony von Leeuwenhoek, and the structure of nucleus was seen by Robert Brown. So as the studies goes on, more and more structure and functionality of the cells are learning by the scientist. So moving ahead, I would like to discuss you about the type of organisms on the basis of the number of cells. There are two type of organisms. First is unicellular organisms and the others are multicellular organisms. When an organism is made up of only one cell, it is called unicellular organisms. For example, amoeba. A single cell performs all the vital functions of the organisms. Whereas in multicellular organisms, it is made up of more than one cells, like humans are. We are made up of more than one cells. There are many type of cells which perform different functions. So let's move to the other topic, that is cell theory. Cell theory was given by Schleiden and Schwann. Schleiden was botanist and whereas Schwann was a zoologist. They studied on plants and animals respectively. So to learn uh, who is zoologist and who is botanist, a simple trick is that, as the name suggests, Schwann is very much similar to swan, which is belong to zoology. So you can understand that Schwann belong to zoologist. So it's an easy trick to learn that Schwann is a zoologist. So what they do, scientists do, they make different type of cells and studied and observe that, give a hypothesis and say that cells are made up of different type of products, and it consists of a cell wall, whereas all cells arise from pre-existing cells. So these are the two concepts given by the Schleiden and Schwann in the cell theory. So moving ahead, our next topic is how to differentiate between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. As the name suggests, prokaryotic. Pro means primitive. Prokaryotic cells are primitive type of cells. They are not as much as developed as eukaryotic cells. In prokaryotic cells, the nucleus doesn't covered by nuclear membrane, so these are called nucleate, and it consists mainly of 70S type of ribosomes, whereas in eukaryote, two nuclear membrane is present, double membrane nuclear organelles are present inside the cell, and it consists of both 70S as well as 80S type of ribosomes. We'll discuss this furthermore in the next chapters. So let us discuss about the overview of cell. So cell consists of many type of cell organelles inside it, like ribosomes, nucleus, chloroplast, mitochondria. Many type of vacuoles are present in it. Cellular matrix are present inside the cells, and cells are also have different shapes and sizes. So the smallest cell, which is of 3 micrometer, is of mycoplasma. It is also called PPLO, pleuropneumonia-like organisms. Whereas the largest cell is of ostrich egg. Cell size and shell shapes may vary, such as RBCs is of oval in shape, whereas WBCs are ovoid in shape, irregular in shape. So depending upon that, their composition and structure, uh, we determine whether these are plant cells or animal cells. Generally, you can see that a plant cell consists of cell wall that is present outside the cell. So that's why the plant cells are rigid and they have a particular shape, whereas in animal cells, cell wall is absent. So generally, animal cells are irregular in shape. So there are more differences between plant cells and animal cells. I would like to discuss you in detail if I get extra time. Hope you like the lecture and hope for a positive reply from your side. Thank you.